how to believe in the secret and the law of attraction to manifest more of this stuff fast and easily. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let me show you how to increase your zeros by believing in the secret. So you probably heard of Transcendental Meditation before. Transcendental Meditation, or TM, is used by many celebrities from the Beatles to Oprah, Arnold Schwarzenegger. All of these folks said that they have at one time used TM in order for meditation and to improve their lives. Well, it was created by a guy named Maharaji, and this was an Eastern guru that wanted to bring TM, Transcendental Meditation, to the West, to America. And as they were planning, one of his followers in the East said to him, "But how are you going to get the money for that? It's going to be expensive. How are you going to get the money?" And he said this: "Wherever the money is now." Let me repeat that. Where are you going to get the money? Wherever it is now. You see, he understood something. Money is energy, money is consciousness, and everything in this world is energy and consciousness. Your consciousness in relation to money is what allows it to come into your life. See, the law of attraction is very simple. The secret is very simple. Here's what it says. Like attracts like. And what does that mean? Like energy attracts like energy. Because everything from the wall to your body is energy. And if you get a powerful enough microscope and you look under it, you will see that it's not solid. It's energy moving at a very high speed of vibration. So the secret tells you that like attracts like. Money has a certain energy frequency, and you can get on that frequency to attract more of it. You see, most people are focused on the absence of money, so it's very hard to attract it. Just think about that follower of Maharaji. He was focused on the absence of money. However logical he thought he was being. See, our culture is so focused on logic. In fact, Albert Einstein said that logic will take you from A to B, but imagination will take you anywhere. And most people are so focused on logic that they actually block the possibility of creating more money in their life. Because logically it doesn't seem possible, but logically it didn't seem possible for us to have these computers. It didn't seem logical for us to have this beautiful camera that auto focuses on my face. It didn't seem possible for us to be able to broadcast through the internet and have iPhones and airplanes that bend like metal and they fly like birds and they're not even birds. It didn't seem possible for us to just flip a switch and light comes on pretty much anywhere in the world, having clean water here in America. It didn't seem possible for us to have super fast sports cars and electric cars traveling around. They didn't seem possible. And your financial situation might not seem possible. But remember, like attracts like. Your energy around it is going to attract or repel it. So take two energies. The presence of what you want or the absence of it. Where do you think the follower of Maharaji had his energy? He had it on the absence of money. He was like, "Bro, I know our bank account, dude. We don't have that much money. I know all the people we know. We don't have enough money. America's expensive. How are you going to market? How are you going to do this?" He was focused on the absence of money. He was focused on the absence of possibility. He was going to universal intelligence, to the infinite field of energy. And this is what he was saying. "We've got a big problem. We don't have enough money. What are we going to do?" That's what he was doing. That was the essence of the energy. And law of attraction, the secret says like attracts like. He was in the energy of absence. What he needed to do was listen to my success hypnosis. That's what I talk about all the time. You can download it. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Down below, it's free. Download that right now, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your subconscious mind for success and abundance. Because he was focused on the absence, and the other energy is the presence. And that's what Maharaji was on. He was on the presence of money. He was like, wherever it is now, it's going to come to us. I know that more of it is printed every single day, every single second. There's an infinite supply of it. And if you have definite purpose, backed by the persistence to realize that desire, that money will come to you if you take the appropriate steps, if you walk confidently in the direction of your dreams. And that's what he did. You can focus on the presence or the absence of it. Right now, focus on the presence of prosperity in your life. That's how you utilize the secret to attract what you want.